If you are a student or a parent looking to fund higher education in India or abroad without risking your assets, this video is for you. Hi everyone, I am Simran, co-founder at Epicred and your trusted guide through the education loan process. Today, we are going to cover everything you need to know about the education loans without collateral, also known as unsecured loan. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how unsecured loans work, the eligibility criteria, documentation, and how Epicred can help this journey seamless for you. So let's get started. Firstly, let's understand what are unsecured education loans. Unsecured education loans are loans that do not require you to pledge collateral such as property or fixed deposits. These loans are a blessing for the students who don't have tangible assets to offer as security. But here is a catch. Unsecured loans depend on factors like your academic profile, the course you are planning to pursue, and the financial stability of your co-applicant. Private banks, NBFCs, and international lenders are the primary options for the unsecured loans. Each has its own benefits, which I'll cover next. Now let's dive into the lenders who offer unsecured loans. First, the public sector banks like SBI or Bank of Baroda offer unsecured loans up to 7.5 lakhs for the domestic studies. However, the interest rates are lower compared to the private lenders, making them a great option if your loan amount is smaller. On the other hand, private banks such as Axis, ICICI can offer loans up to 40 lakhs without collateral for studying abroad. Their interest rate ranges from 10% to 14% depending on your profile. Along with this, there are NBFCs like InCred, Avance, Auxilo, and HDFC Credila who provide loans tailored for your international studies. They are more flexible in terms of eligibility and can offer up to 50 lakhs or even more, but the interest rates can go higher up to 16%. And at the end, there are international lenders like Prodigy Finance and Empower Financing specializing in the loans for studying at the top global universities. They don't require collateral or co-applicant, but they have strict eligibility criteria focusing on specific universities and courses. At Epicred, we work with 15 plus lending partners, including the ones that I just mentioned. We help you choose the best lender based on your profile, course, and the loan requirement. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Here is where the lenders usually look for. First, you'll need a strong academic background with at least 60% in key exams. Your chosen course and the university also play a huge role, and the top ranked universities make lender feel more confident about the repayment. And for the most unsecured loans, a co-applicant with a stable income and a good credit score is essential. This could be your parent, sibling, or even a relative. Next is a CIBIL score. A good CIBIL score, usually above 700, improves your chances of approval and helps you secure better terms. Along with this, lenders prefer courses with high employability such as STEM fields, MBAs, or specialized master's programs, specifically in the countries like USA, UK, and Canada. If you are unsure about your eligibility, Epicred offers a free profile evaluation tool that gives you instant insights. Now let's dive deeper into the eligibility criteria for the unsecured loans. First, lenders evaluate your academic performance. You will need a minimum of 60% marks in your previous exams and admission to a reputed institution with strong placement prospects. These factors reassure lenders of your ability to repay after completing your studies. Second is the course and the institution that you have chosen. It plays a very significant role. The high demand fields like STEM, management, and healthcare are prioritized. Additionally, attending globally or nationally ranked universities can significantly improve your chances of loan approval. Third, the co-applicant details are very critical. A stable income and a good credit score are essential for most of the lenders, and your co-applicant can be your parent, sibling, or even a close relative who meets the financial criteria. Fourth, lenders may consider your standardized test scores such as GRE, GMAT, IELTS, TOEFL, depending on the course and the university. At Epicred, we ensure that you are matched with the lenders whose criteria align with your profile, making the process seamless and tailored to your needs. Now I will walk you through the benefits of unsecured loans. First, there is no risk to your personal assets. Your property and your savings remain untouched. Second, they come with flexible repayment options, allowing you to customize tenures based on your post-graduation earning potential. Third, you can enjoy the tax benefits as the interest paid qualifies for the deductions under Section 80E. Finally, these loans are processed faster than the secured loans, requiring less documentation and time. At Epicred, we ensure that you secure the most favorable terms and the interest rates by negotiating directly with the lenders on your behalf. Now let's compare the Indian and the international lenders. We know that choosing between the Indian and the international lenders depend on your priorities. Indian lenders offer tax benefits and the repayment is in INR, which shield you from the forex fluctuations. However, they may have loan caps, especially for the higher studies abroad. On the other hand, the international lenders provide loans covering the full tuition fees as well as the living expenses, often without requiring a co-applicant. The downside is that the repayments are in the foreign currencies, which may expose you to the exchange rate risk. At Epicred, we analyze your financial needs and guide you through the best lenders, ensuring both affordability as well as the convenience. When applying for an unsecured education loan for the studying abroad, having the right documents is very crucial. For the salaried co-applicants, documents like pay slips, bank statements, and income tax returns are essential, while the self-employed co-applicants must provide the business proofs, current account statements, and the updated profiles. Students need to submit the academic records, test scores, and the proof of admission to their chosen university. Additionally, the basic KYC documents such as identity proof and the photographs are required from both the applicant and the co-applicant, ensuring accurate and complete documentation not only fasten up the loan process but also boosts the approval chances. At Epicred, we simplify this process with personalized checklists and secure uploads, ensuring a seamless experience for you. Applying for an unsecured loan is very simple with Epicred. It starts with an eligibility check using Epicred's online tool for instant results, that is the loan eligibility tool. Next, shortlist the lenders by comparing the interest rates, terms, loan caps on a platform, and then proceed with the application process by securely submitting your documents through Epicred. Then we will guide you through the credit verification process and negotiate terms like interest rates and repayment options on your behalf. Finally, upon approval, Epicred coordinates with the lender to disburse the loan directly to your institution or account. Now let's discuss the most common frequently asked questions by the students. First, is it possible to secure a loan for MBBS or STEM programs? Yes, lenders like NBFCs and international platforms often approve the high-value loans for in-demand fields like MBBS, AIML, and STEM courses, especially for top-ranked universities. Second, can I get a loan for the non-degree programs like pilot training or short-term diplomas? Yes, NBFCs are more flexible with the non-degree programs, offering loans for flying club, pilot training, or diplomas, though the amounts may vary based on the course and the institution. Third, can I get two unsecured loans simultaneously for me and my sibling? Of course, yes, as long as both the applicants meet the lender's criteria and the co-applicant has the financial capacity to support both the loans. At Epicred, we specialize in finding solutions for these unique situations. From choosing the right lender to securing approval, we are here to simplify the process for you. So to sum it up, securing an education loan without collateral might seem complex, but with the right guidance, it's entirely achievable. With Epicred, you don't just apply for a loan, you get end-to-end support, making the process seamless and stress-free. Let us take care of everything while you focus on your education. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. I would be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you all the best for your educational journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.